My snow shovelers, when you're going outside here to shovel this snow, you will need about 2 to 3 sets of pants on, okay? And you will need a nice, really good down type of coat because the snow is acid, parasitic pathogen acid. And what it does is it eats through your clothing. So you want to have the extra layers of clothing to stop it touching your skin. Because when it touches your skin, you will have an outbreak. Maybe just in a localized area, it might be a bump or two or something like that. But if you just wear just one set of pants and some long johns, that's not gonna cut it. It's gonna go through that and you might have a big outbreak, okay? Don't let your children play in the snow. We're not in those times anymore where you can let the children go out and play in the snow and everything will be fine and nothing will happen to them. We're not in those times anymore. It's time to wise up.